what we do here is go back.
What is up, y'all? It's your girl Devvbee, and I'm back this week with another video. So it's wash day. My hair is looking busted, and I think it's time that we deep condition and wash it, right? My friend actually told me about a deep conditioner that you put on your hair that's moisturizing and defines your curls very well. And since I really want to do another wash and go today with different products, trying to figure out which products work best for me, I'm going to try it. And it is called Bentonite clay. A lot of people put it on their faces, but I'm going to put it on my hair. So I watched a couple other people do it on YouTube, and it seemed to work very well for them. So we're going to see how it will work on me. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Oh, okay. So this is the current state of my hair. It looks like, I mean, like every week, it desperately, like, wash day is needed. So I have a towel, a shirt that I don't really care about if it gets dirty, and the chair I'm sitting on also has a towel on it just so it doesn't get dirty. So let's jump right into this, shall we? Okay, so I dampened my hair a little bit. Part of it got wet, part of it didn't. I forgot a spray bottle and I forgot clips. Like, who am I? I have a hair tie and the comb. I'm just gonna detangle it a little bit. My hair is not completely reverted back yet. I'm waiting. This stuff looks disgusting. Like, I dropped some on the floor. Guys, I just spilled it all over myself. I was just trying to add more powder or more clay because it was too watery. It's all, like, I wish I could show you, but like, look at my knee. Ugh, thank God I'm taking a shower after this, man. Dude, it's getting on my neck. Okay, y'all. All done. This is what it looks like. It's very stiff and hard because, you know, it's clay, and as it dries, it gets hard. But okay, now I'm gonna go sit for 20-30 minutes and clean this mess up. Then I'm gonna hop in the shower and we'll be back. Hello! Now I'm going to start styling. I'm first going to use this Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In that I got from the store yesterday. And then I'm going to use the Miel Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. Also, the definition in my curls with no product. Thank you, Bentonite clay. You were hard to clean up, but you did your job. Yup, that's me. Lose it again, but I'm not like them. It's gonna be me.
Bruh.
Alright, now I'm gonna go blow dry this. Low hair. Low air, and mostly low air to get the original drip out, and then blow it with cool, and then I'll style it and then let it air dry because I don't have a dryer here either. Alright y'all, so this is the final look of my hair. 100% dry many hours later. That's the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media at DevBee. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.